Hello viewers, welcome again in Clipping Amazon Photoshop tutorial. Today we will learn how to swap face. Let's start. First open two photos. Make sure both have the same face direction. Now select the lasso tool and draw over the face that you want to replace one another face. After selecting the area, copy it by pressing Ctrl+C and paste it on another face, pressing Ctrl+V. To set the face properly, press Ctrl+T. You will get selection area and fit it on the face. Keep pressing on the shift while setting the face. You can hit down opacity of the face to fix it properly. After fixing it, hit back the opacity again. Now take a mask on the face layer and take foreground color black. Select brush tool, then remove the extra area from the face carefully. After doing this, make copy of the photo layer and rename this. Then cut out the face part with lasso tool from the image where you want to replace another face. Then select face layer, go to edit and auto blend layer. Press OK and the magic happened. The sweeping face is done. If you think our channel is providing helpful videos, then subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get video notification. Thank you for watching.